she is not a New Zealander for sure. So kia ora, how are you? Yes, you're probably right. I'm definitely not a Kiwi. So which part of New Zealand are you from? Like Auckland or Wellington or South Island somewhere? Yeah, I have visited New Zealand. I love it in Taupo and Rotorua, and I like to go to places like Parua. I don't know. Like, could I be a Kiwi? Oh, maybe my accent isn't strong enough. Maybe I should do like Lynn of Tawa. Hello, how are you? Yes, I'm from New Zealand. I mean, there are quite a lot of different New Zealand accents, aren't there? So, yeah, at the end of the day, I just want to make sure that we're 100% on the same page and that my accent is definitely not from New Zealand, because I don't know. Is it from New Zealand or is it not from New Zealand? This is the question.